So real quick question, I don't need to graph anything here, it just says find the slope of a line perpendicular to 2x minus 8y equals 20, 21. Well, again, I need to find the slope of this line and then look for its perpendicular slope. Same old idea, I'm going to solve for y. Using a lot of pink this week because it's Valentine's Day next week. Minus 8y equals minus 2x plus 20, 21. Dividing by that negative 8. And again, all I really need here is the slope. If you can find that slope in your head, great. The slope of the original line, negative 2 over negative 8, would give me a positive 1/4. So the slope of a line perpendicular to that given line would be negative 4 or negative 4 over 1. Now when you do delta math, it's going to ask you for that slope in simplest form. I think it would want the negative 4. It might accept negative 4 over 1, but I'm not quite sure. So double check that. I have a little game I usually play every year. It's called parallel, perpendicular, or not. Are two lines parallel to each other? And we do have a symbol for parallel. It's two little like railroad tracks. Perpendicular or neither. Are they parallel to each other, perpendicular to each other, or are they just two generic lines that aren't really related to each other by slope? And again, all we have to do is put them in slope-intercept form and check and see. So let's see, y equals 2/3 x minus 7. The slope of this line is 2/3. This one's not, but if I subtract that 3x and then divide by 2, I would get y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 2. Slope of this line, negative 3 over 2. So I would say these two lines are perpendicular. So it's going to be part of your delta math assignment, just checking parallel, perpendicular, or not related to each other. One more thing to keep in mind, and that involves horizontal and vertical lines. Horizontal is perpendicular to vertical every time. So if you have an equation like y equals 3, and you're asked for a line that's perpendicular to that, you could say x equals 2. Anytime you see one of those equations that's missing the other variable, yeah, they will be perpendicular to each other. Horizontal and vertical are perpendicular to each other.